In this video, we'll go through the steps for sharing your screen during a Zoom meeting or webinar. You can share anything from a PowerPoint presentation to a web browser window or even a video with sound. Once you're in a Zoom meeting or webinar, step 1 is to open the program or document that you wish to share. Make sure that you do not minimize the program to your system tray at the bottom. And then go back to the Zoom window and hover your mouse to see the control buttons along the bottom. Click Share, the green button in the middle, and you will see a desktop that you're able to share if you're going to toggle back and forth between programs. But usually if you're just sharing one thing, it's best to choose that one thing, in this case a Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. And if there's sound involved, you would check off the checkbox here for Share Computer Sound. If not, you can leave that blank, and in either case, click Share in the bottom right. Your shared content will now have a green outline around the outside. You will also notice a picture-in-picture with your webcam video. Mine is black right now, and you can click and drag that out of the way anywhere that you see fit. You can also hover near the top of the screen to see more options and the control buttons that used to be at the bottom of your screen, including more options here. If you're sharing a slideshow, you'll need to start your slideshow in full screen, and you can advance your slides as you normally would, either using arrow keys or by clicking the mouse. Animations will appear as you have prescribed in your slideshow. The other meeting or webinar participants will now see a large image of your shared content along with a small image of your webcam video. Unless you're sharing a keynote presentation, your cursor will be visible by default and can be used to point to your visuals while sharing your screen. If you wish to draw even more attention to specific sections of your content, try hovering at the top to see the menu bar and clicking Annotate. There are many tools here that you can search through, but Spotlight is a simple one here just to emphasize where your cursor is. When you're finished annotating, you can click the red X to make your annotations disappear. When you're finished sharing, click the red Stop Share button to end screen sharing but remain in the Zoom meeting or webinar. This will make your webcam video larger again for the other participants so you can show items in front of your webcam or just discuss the meeting or webinar topic interactively. More tutorials, tips, and tricks are available at pirweb.org/en/support or email vrockpc@pirweb.org.